Creating a profit and loss statement, also known as a P&L, with a cash flow account is a relatively straightforward process. It's a useful tool for business owners, particularly when applying for a loan or preparing to sell a company. To start, navigate to the home screen of the KashFlow dashboard. From there, click on the Home tab, which will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Select the Reports option. Then choose Financial, and finally, click on Profit and Loss. To set up the statement, choose a time period, this can be a custom range, or select from predefined options such as this year, this month, this quarter, or the last 90 days. Once the time frame is set, a visual representation of the profit and loss statement will be generated. From here, it can be printed or downloaded. The resulting statement provides a clear overview of the company's financial situation over the chosen period. This process is simple and efficient, making it easy to create a profit and loss statement with a cash flow account.